Hello everyone, welcome back to our cloud computing series. Imagine you want to start a new company today. Would you buy expensive servers, networking equipment, storage devices, and software licenses before your business even begins? Probably not, right? Instead, you would prefer to use some computing resources whenever you need them and pay only for what you use. This is exactly why cloud computing has become one of the most important technology in today's digital world. In today's lecture, we are going to understand the benefits and disadvantage of cloud system. By the end of the session, you will know why organizations choose cloud computing and what challenges they must consider before moving to the cloud. Let's begin. What is a cloud system? A cloud system is a computing environment where services such as servers, storage, database, networking, and software are delivered over the internet. Instead of owning physical hardware, organizations rent cloud resources from cloud providers like AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud Platform. Now, let's understand why millions of organizations are moving to the cloud. The first and one of the biggest advantage is cost efficiency. The traditionally organization had to purchase expensive hardware, install software, maintain data centers. We have to pay the electricity bills and hire the IT profession. All this activity required a huge initial investment. Cloud computing completely changes this model. Organizations simply rent the required resources and pay only for what they use. This is known as a pay as you go pricing model. For an example, imagine booking a taxi. You pay only for the distance you travel, right? Similarly, in cloud computing, you pay only for the computing resources you actually use. So here we have the benefits how no upfront investment, reduce maintenance cost, lower operation expenses, affordable for startups and small business. The second advantage is scalability and flexibility. The scalability means increasing or decreasing the computing resources whenever required. For example, consider an online shopping website during the Diwali sale. Normally, the website receives around 10,000 visitors per day. During the sale, the number suddenly increases to one of the million visitors. Cloud computing automatically increases computing resources to handle the additional traffic. After the sales end, the extra resources are released automatically. Here we have the benefits like handles flunking workloads, supports the business growth, and prevents the resource wastage. It improves the overall performance. The another important benefit is accessibility and collaboration. Cloud application can be accessed from anywhere using an internet connection. Employees working from different cities or even the different countries can work together simultaneously. Example, suppose five software engineers are working on the same project. Instead of sending a different version of files through email, they all edit the same cloud document in real time. Everyone immediately see the latest changes. This improves teamwork and increases productivity. The next one is the disaster recovery and backup. Data is one of the most valuable assets of any organization. Losing customer records, financial information, or project files can seriously affect the business operation. Cloud computing simplifies the backup and disaster recovery. Most cloud providers automatically stores multiple copies of data in different geographical location. Even if one server fails, another server continues providing the service. Benefits are automatic backup, fast recovery, high availability, protection against the data loss. The next one is a security enhancement. Many people think cloud computing is less secure. Actually, major cloud provider invest billions of dollars every year in cybersecurity. They provide advanced security features such as data encryption, multi-factor authentication, identify and access management, firewalls, and the continuous monitoring. This security mechanism help protect the sensitive business information. Cloud provides also install security updates automatically without interrupting the business operation. Another advantage is faster deployment. In traditional IT environment, purchasing and installing hardware may take several weeks, right? Cloud computing allows organization to launch server and application within minutes. Example, suppose a company suddenly needs 20 new servers. Instead of waiting for new hardware to arrive, cloud services can create all the seven in just a few minutes. This saves both time and effort. The next one is innovation and automatic update. Cloud providers continuously introduce new technologies. Organization gain access to artificial intelligence, machine learning, Internet of Things, big data analytics, and many other advanced services. Software updates are also managed automatically. This allows organization to focus on innovation instead of the system. Now let us look at the disadvantage. Every technology has limitation. Although cloud computing provides many advantages, organization should also understand its challenges. The first one is a internet dependency. Cloud services require a stable internet connection. If the internet becomes slow or unavailable, user may not be able to access cloud application. For organizations that depend completely on cloud services, internet connectivity become extremely important. The next one is the security risk. Although cloud provides offer strong security, no system is completely secure. Possible risk includes data breaches, unauthorized access, insider attacks, cyber threats. Organization should always follow the proper security practices to minimize this risk. And the next one is the limited control. Whenever organization move to the cloud, the provider manage the underlying infrastructure. Customer cannot directly control the physical servers, storage devices, or a networking equipment. Some organizations prefer having complete control over the infrastructure, especially when handling highly sensitive information. The next one is a cost overruns. Cloud computing saves money only when resources are managed properly. If unused virtual machines continue running or storage is not monitored, organization may receive unexpectedly high bills. Therefore, cloud resources should always be monitored carefully. The next one is a data privacy concern. Cloud providers may store customer data in different countries. Different countries have different privacy laws. Organization must ensure that cloud providers comply with the legal and a regularity requirement before storing the sensitive information. The next one is the downtime risk. Sometimes cloud providers have experienced technical failures or maintenance activity. During this period, cloud services may become temporarily unavailable. Although such outages are rare, they can interrupt business operation. The next one is the vendor lock-in. Vendor lock-in occurs when moving from one cloud provider to the another. It's become difficult. Application design, especially for one provider, may occur significant modification before they can run on another platform. Migration can therefore become expensive and time consuming. The last one is a performance variability. Public cloud resources are shared among many customers. During peak usage period, system performance may sometimes decreases. This is called the performance variability. Cloud providers continuously work to minimize this issue, but it can still occur in shared environment. Thank you.